The C-130 Hercules, built by the Lockheed Martin Aircraft Company, was first produced in 1956. It was personnel. Feet. You will notice that not only can the aircraft stop quickly, it can also produce enough thrust to taxi backwards. Ladies and gentlemen, with the stars and stripes flying,
we'd like to hold. Appreciate it, brother. That was a good one. You guys look great. Thank you. Tom Cart, folks, video. Sure, even the Delta admin, medical, and all our maintenance folks on the F-18 side. Very much. And birds rolling. It's raining down on you.
Marine Corps pilots in both peacetime training and actual combat. These maneuvers are neither stunts nor daring feats, but are refinements of basic techniques taught to every prospective naval aviator. Here, over Naval Air Station Pensacola, we will demonstrate these maneuvers at very low altitude, in traditional Blue Angel formation, so that you may see and take pride in the precise fashion in which your Navy and Marine Corps pilots are trained to fly. Now direct your attention to the ramp before you. Observe the military manner in which the 6 demonstration pilots approach their aircraft and are saluted by their crew chiefs. Ladies and gentlemen, flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Baltimore, Maryland, Commander Thomas Zimmerman. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Madison, Wisconsin, Lieutenant Commander Griffin Stengel. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from Mounds View, Minnesota, Lieutenant Commander Amanda Lee. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman from Georgetown, Texas, Lieutenant Commander Wes Perkins. Flying Blue Angel number 2, the rifleman from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Commander Jack Keelty. Flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Skaneateles, New York, Captain Alex Armatas. As the crew chiefs assist the pilots into their jets, you are witnessing the teamwork found in all Navy and Marine Corps units. The Blue Angels take a great deal of pride in personifying the Navy and Marine Corps values of honor, courage, and commitment. For more information on our support crew and our pilots, we invite you to follow the team on social media, including Facebook.
Offense up to 69%, letting it roll. Boss 3009 set 0 feet. Go 3008, 0 feet right out. 3009, 0 feet right out. 3008, 0 feet right out. 3007, 0 feet right out. Off half. Comment left.
The Blue Angels taxi and tactical racing, just as you were seeing before.
Brother flaps.
This degree of precision has been a trademark of the Blue Angels since first.
Check your flaps out, there's no flaps out. Little drive. A little more pull.
As the diamond accelerates into descent, they will acquire the necessary airspeed for their next maneuver.
Adding power. One out. Big hill, a little more. Adding power.
The diamond will experience up to 4 times.
60 company. Give her a big on, let's round them up. 454. Power. Say more power. A little ease. Tops up pole. A little more.
Angels fly in 6 It's 6 times the force of gravity.
Ease up pole. Coming left. Coming further left. Behind the crowd to the Pajana 360. And he hit it. 10 left inverted.
Using inverted to inverted roll.
For the diamond aileron roll. Nice. Steady. Like, yeah. Steady, hit it. Like,
as they approach the maneuver we call the Fortus.
Ports. Hi, friends. A little inboard. Right turn. Up we go. A little more pull.
To the left and showcasing
You're up.
Super Hornets turbo nose low.
Look up. We're behind the crowd, set up a double ball. Ready, hit it.
It's in the clear. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Let's try to get it. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot.
Go. 290. Ease up. Rolling out. Little pull to level. Rotate over to you. 1.6 miles. Nice. Well done. Using a little power. Be left.
With minimal separation. Watch as both pilots sustain 6 times the force of gravity to cross their aircraft over show center.
Shit. For a kick up on these Emirates in the sky.
Oh, Fred. Press it.
Shift it back into the Blue Angel diamond. As the formation pulls to level, each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction.
We're a hair late, everybody.
Another day, another selfish moment. I've been feeling.
Ready, hit it. Yeah, Nick. That's your man. Right back.
You should be able to follow their individual smoke trails as all four aircraft converge on center point with maximum closure and minimum separation.
Mark 360. Got it. 280.
Blue Angels 5 and 6 on their tails. At less than 120 miles per hour, the fly-by-wire flight controls provide the slow speed handle that sets the Super Hornet apart in the air-to-air combat arena. Ladies and gentlemen, the Section High Alpha Pass. maneuver. From the left, at 450 miles per hour, the Angels
rolling out.
Let's listen in.
Where do we? Just
To the right, the two solo pilots are moving for another Delta maneuver. As they rendezvous, watch as Captain Armitage executes a reversal turn, rolling out the formation for the Delta loop brake cross.
Little pole, adding power. We've got the crowd at 18. Use it out. We're in front of the loop brake cross, lost 200. The 4. 600. That's it. The 4. 365. 75. No, 6 cross.
Now watch closely as Captain Armitage
Ready break. 3 left.
As each aircraft accelerates to 500 miles per hour, they will perform a half-Cuban 8 reversal turn. As they pull up and over the top, you should be able to follow their individual smoke trails. As 6 pilots simultaneously roll their aircraft 180 degrees and head back towards Show Center. From 6 different directions, with maximum closure and minimum separation, they will converge on center point and cross with a combined closure rate of nearly 1,000 miles per hour.
7-3, using power idle. Roll hat. Shallow. Thanks. 396. About a half. 400. About 399. Start call. Boss out of the Delta breakout, it'll be a right turn. Yes, Tower.
For a description of our maneuvers, as well as an in-depth look at our team and individual biographies, we invite you to visit our website and follow us on social media, including Facebook and Instagram.
345.
Alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road. Gotta hit the road.
45.
The sun ain't changing the atmosphere. Architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this.
42.
Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the horse.
Yeah, 6, boss.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun.
The pole rolling out. Delta
The
breakout.
crowd, the Delta is making its approach to the flight line. Approaching center point, the entire formation will separate in dramatic fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Delta Breakout.
Sometimes it feels like I'm blinking in a toe.
Boss breaking. Forty, bros. 140 all the way, Rico. 160 trash. 180 stock. 220, bros. 40 all the way, trash. 160 stock. 200, bros. 140 all the way, stock.
The demonstration pilots you've been watching perform here this afternoon
180,
are a
bros.
small part of the Blue Angel team. The men and women in blue uniforms standing before you are members of the elite Blue Angel.
160, bros.
Through hard work, many long hours, and unselfish dedication, they have each year for the past 78 years provided us with the aircraft availability necessary to perform each of these
All the way,
demonstrations.
bros.
As the aircraft taxi back,
Boss,
I'd like to
okay.
take this opportunity to introduce the Blue Angel maintenance crew. Command Master Chief Matthew Dawson from Racine, Wisconsin. Maintenance Master Chief Hector Vitamontes from Pico Rivera, California. Maintenance Chiefs Jeremy Watts from Roseman, California, and Dana Foley from Sutherland, Oregon. Crew Coordinator Tanner Bales from Colorado Springs, Colorado. Crew Chief Number 1 Chelsea Kendrick from Aurora, Colorado. First Mech Paint Shop Renee Pamantuan from Santa Clara, California. Crew Chief Number 2 Nick Otterin from Salida, California. First Mech Life Support, Grant Ozzie from Jackson, Ohio. Crew Chief Number 3, Leon Grant from Fayetteville, North Carolina. First Mech Life Support, Jose Figueroa from Carolina, Puerto Rico. Crew Chief Number 4, Marcos Ivy from Keystone Heights, Florida. First Mech Air Freight, Alex Verdusco from Morehead City, North Carolina. Crew Chief Number 5, Rachel Luckett from Detroit, Michigan. First Mech Power Plants, Helbert Arudia from Middletown, New York. Crew Chief Number 6, Andreas Winhelm from Medellin, Colombia. First Mech Power Plants, Lorenzo Ravala from Daly City, California. Crew Chief Number 7, Ryan Hernandez from Hacienda Heights, California. Runway Truck Holder Crew, Cyrus Brown from Amarillo, California. having secured their engines, the pilots will simultaneously exit their aircraft on a signal from Captain Armitage. It has been an honor and our pleasure to perform for you here at Naval Air Station Pensacola. This our 65th and final flight demonstration of the 2024 season. Ladies and gentlemen, flying Blue Angel number 6, potentially a Terminator robot from the future. At 6'2", 240, his only weaknesses are lactose and direct sunlight. From Baltimore, Maryland, our opposing solo is Commander Thomas Zimmerman. Flying Blue Angel number 5, if you thought his sneak pass was fast, you should see him after a cup of coffee. From Madison, Wisconsin, our lead solo is Lieutenant Commander Griffin Stengel. Flying Blue Angel number 4, a lover of early morning handshakes and cold drinking water. She's read more books than Slack messages this year. From Mounds View, Minnesota, our slot pilot is Lieutenant Commander Amanda Lee. Flying Blue Angel number 3 is our very own plant boy. The only thing spicier than the peppers in his garden is his love for barges and the people who work them. He's from Georgetown, Texas, and his name is Lieutenant Commander Wes Perkins. Flying Blue Angel number 2 with a right hand that could crush a sealed tuna can. An eye so blue they'd make a glacier blush. From Oklahoma City, our right wingman is Commander Jack Hilty. Flying Blue Angel number 1, most don't know he was made in a lab 2 years ago for this job. His body mass will be medically recycled following drop of salute. From Skinny Atlas, New York, our boss is Captain Alex Armitage. Ladies and gentlemen, representing your United States Navy and Marine Corps, the 2024 Blue Angels.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Blue Angels. And a nice round of applause for Blue Angel number 7. Lieutenant Connor O'Donnell, and it's his birthday today. Let's sing happy birthday to Connor O'Donnell.